Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by powering on and charging the Pixel Watch to at least 50%. This avoids interruptions during pairing. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and open the Google Pixel Watch app. This is how devices exchange settings and apps. Tap the displayed watch ID or scan the watch code, then accept permissions for location and contacts so notifications and location services work. After pairing, the app will push basic settings. Keep both devices close until the initial sync completes. Once paired, you'll configure connectivity and personalization. First, add Wi-Fi networks, and if available, enable LTE to use the watch independently. These keep updates and calls flowing. Then pick a watch face and customize tiles for quick access to heart rate, weather, or workouts. This reduces taps mid-activity. Make sure notifications and app permissions match your priorities so you get important alerts without noise. Finally, sync calendar and Google accounts. This syncs reminders and step goals across devices for consistent tracking. Finish by installing any system updates and enabling Google Pay and backups so your data and payment setup are secure. Calibrate sensors by telling the watch which wrist you wear it on and entering height/weight for accurate tracking. This improves step and calorie calculations. Make sure sleep and workout goals are enabled in the Fitbit/G-Fit integration for full tracking. If something goes wrong, restart both devices and retry pairing from the Pixel Watch app. That simple reset resolves most connection and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.